everyone. I just want to thank the new additional subscriber, Danielle Montoya, the loyal girly, the real Dara, Alfredo Jimenez, Lilian Altamirano, Tammy467, the Victorians M, and that body Emma. Okay, those are the new subscribers that added to 2,875 subscribers. Thank you so much for always following and subscribing that notification bell, and for always commenting in my YouTube channel. And you know what? I do appreciate everything. So um, just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Once again, this is your funny chubby Groovy Granny telling you I do appreciate all your comments, and saying that keep it up, don't let others down, put you down, and always for believing in my YouTube channel. I just want to give positivity. I just want to share happiness to everybody. And in this life is complicated. We have to, give positivity and share happiness. And if I make you smile, if I make your day, and I'm glad I contributed to your happiness. God bless us all. Once again, this is your funny chubby Gooby Gani saying happy Monday, everyone. Love you all, guys. And to all the kids that following my YouTube channel, always subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you can share it. Thank you so much. This is your granny saying love you all, guys. Wherever you are, whatever place you are, love you all. Mwah.